Good morning. It's Tuesday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. And this morning my devotional was really neat. I read Psalm 91 on purpose, which is just about how God protects us. And I read other devotionals, and I thought it was really cool because one of them was about our mind and how we can kind of work ourselves into a frenzy, cause anxiety just by our thoughts. But there's some Bible verses, when we go to Jesus and give our thoughts back to Him, and every time we keep having an anxious or a fearful or a negative thought, we can go back to Jesus and say, Jesus, can you take this? And I submit this thought to you. He'll end up changing our thought patterns and replacing it with truth. And I think that's really neat because in a way that's a way He protects us too. Not just physically, but mentally and spiritually and emotionally too. So our minds are really powerful, but when we continue to go back to Jesus and read His Word and saturate ourselves with His Word, then we can have hope again and freedom, and our minds are just rewired to know kind of what's real and who Jesus says we are, and how He is our protector and our Father, and we can just take so much comfort in that. So my prayer this morning is just that we are protected by Jesus in our minds, and I just pray that truth and just knowing that goes into all of our life, and we can just walk in freedom from that. So I hope you all have a good St. Patrick's Day, and I pray that the Holy Spirit just reminds you of who you are and who Jesus is and how much you mean to Him.